Dear student, now I give lecture on three-phase transformer connections. That is transformer connection for three-phase operation. That is star star, delta delta, star delta, delta star, zigzag star, and then VV connection, Scott connection. Everything we studied about in this lecture video. First, introduction about three-phase transformer connections. The single unit three-phase transformer is housed in a single tank only. The identical single-phase transformers can be suitably interconnected and used instead of single unit three-phase transformer. The transformer bank is made up of three separate single-phase transformers, each with its own tank and pushing also. This method only is mostly preferable in mines and high altitude power stations because the transportation becomes easier than the single three-phase transformer unit. The bank method is adopted when the voltage involved is high because it is easier to provide proper insulation in each single-phase transformer. Compared to bank of single-phase transformer, the main advantages of single unit three-phase transformer are occupies less space, that is less floor place for equal rating, less weight, cost about 20% less. That means the cost comparison between the single unit three-phase transformer and three single phase transformer. So the 20% that means the cost, that means the less weight cost about 20% less than the three single phase unit only. So here the various methods of the connections, that is the three phase transformer connection, that means star star, delta delta, and then star delta, delta star. Here we studied about the 4 for the same kVA rating only. So before we studied about the three-phase transformer connection, what are the factors affecting the choice of three-phase transformer connections? First one is the availability of the neutral connection for grounding, protection or load connections. The second one is insulation to ground and voltage stress. The third one is the availability of a path for the flow of third harmonic current, that is the existing current, and zero sequence current. Zero sequence current is nothing but the fault current only. And then need for practical, that is the need for partial capacity with other transformers, and then the three-phase transformer operation under faulty condition also, and then economic consider also. These are the factors affecting the choice of three-phase transformer connection. Now we studied about the first one is the delta delta connection. Now you see the diagram, the primary also delta, the secondary also delta. You already know the delta how and all. Three phase means that is the starting end of one phase is joined together the ending phase of the another winding only. Like that we have to make the delta connection. So here and all in the delta connection here the primary, so the primary winding of the three-phase transformer is labeled by, that means capital letter, that means A, B, C, and then the secondary winding of the three-phase transformer is labeled by a small letter, that is small a, small b, small c. So the primary is incoming, that is the IA, IB, IC. Then the secondary is outgoing, that is a small letter IA, IB, and then IC. The power factor is lagging power factor only. This is the transformer. You see, this is the 0 degree only, never shifted, and this is the 0 degree, that is the delta delta connection. Now we see the circuit diagram, that is the phasor diagram of delta connection. So you see that means VAB, VBC, VCA is the line voltage, and then IA, IB, IC is the line current, and then you can draw now the vector diagram. You can draw 120 degree phase shift between the VAB, VBC and VCA 3A. Similarly IA, IB, only here IA only you see, that means the IA, that is the vector sum of IAB minus ICA only. Because the ICA lags behind the respective voltage VCA. So we have to extended ICA, means that is denoted by minus ICA. ICA means the current between C phase and A phase. So therefore the IA, that the line current is the vector sum of, that means IAB and ICE only, that means. So the VAN means that is the neutral only, that is the neutral, means the delta connection, there is no neutral, center there is zero phase and all. You see this diagram and all. So in between that the primary is capital N, there no. So that N, that is the VAN, VBN, VCN, like that the voltage we have to measure, that is the point between A and capital N. Similarly the secondary side, the voltage measured between small a and small n only. And then the line current is root 3 times the phase winding. The star connection, you know, line voltage is equal to phase voltage, but line current is equal to root 3 times of the phase winding current only. And then in this case, in this connection, the magnetizing current and voltage drop in impedances have been neglected only. And then suppose in case the connection of the 3-phase winding is reversed on the either side, so therefore the phase difference is 180 degree. Now this is the 0 degree phase difference. Suppose either we have to reverse the phase winding of the either primary side or secondary side, we are getting the 180 degree phase shift only. Now see, that is the diagram, this is the diagram. I never changed the primary, only I reverse the phase winding of the secondary side only. So it's just up, that is the 180 degree only. So therefore and all, such connection only is known as the 180 degree connection for delta connection of 3-phase transformer. That is the 180 degree phase shift only, secondary side only. That means the secondary voltage, that means is in phase opposition with the primary voltage only. Now you see the vector diagram and all, primary same only, IA is just opposite and all. You can make a phase shift. In the phasor diagram, see the phase shift, that is the 180 degree phase shift of delta connection. You see the vector diagram secondary. So this is the delta connection of a 3-phase transformer. Then what is the advantages of this transformer is the delta transformer is satisfactory for balanced and unbalanced load, both suitable. And then if the one transformer fail, the remaining 2 transformer will continue to the power supply for 3-phase power system and all. So this is called as a open delta connection only, or VV connection. If harmonics, that is the third harmonic present also, it circulates in a closed path and therefore does not appear in the output voltage wave only. The disadvantages is, that means there is no neutral. And then when the neither primary or the secondary requires a neutral, so therefore the voltage low and moderate only. Then next, star connection. Now you see the star connection, this is the 180 degree phase shift also is there, 0 degree phase shift also is there. So the left hand side primary, secondary side, that means right hand side secondary only. So you have to remember and all, capital letter, that means denotes for primary, that is the labeling, and then small a labeled for, that means secondary. 0 phase shift means ordinary star connection only. If 180 phase shift is similar to delta, that you see only secondary only shifted. So that we, but the phase shift and all, here the above one is 0 degree phase shift, the below one is the 180 degree phase shift only. So therefore in the star connection, what line current equal to phase current, but the line voltage is, that means 3 times the phase voltage only. So therefore the phase separation of 30 degree between the line and phase voltage. The 180 degree phase shift between the primary and secondary of the transformer only. This is the 180 degree phase shift. Here and all, what are the problem and all means the star connection is not satisfied for unbalanced load because that means in the absence of neutral connection only. If the neutral is not provided now, then the phase voltage becomes severely unbalanced when the load is unbalanced. Unbalanced means if R phase 5 amps, B phase 3 amps and then C phase equal to, this is the unbalanced load only. And then the star connection contains a third harmonic and in balanced condition means these harmonics are equal in magnitude and phase with the magnetizing current only. So therefore their sum at the neutral of the star connection is not zero. So it will distort the flux wave which will produce a voltage having a harmonic in each of the transformer only. So the star connection is not suitable for unbalanced load only. Then delta star means primary is delta, secondary is star. Now you see the diagram and all, primary is delta, secondary is star. So therefore in the primary side what that means, line voltage is equal to phase voltage, but the line current is equal to root 3 times of the phase and all. Here in the star connection means what that means, line voltage is equal to phase voltage, but the current that means same, but line voltage that means 3 times the phase voltage only. So therefore here the phasor diagram you can see here and all the VLS, that means the line that is equal to root 3. VL means that is the line voltage equal to root 3 times of, that means V phase only. So here you see the phasor diagram and all. So the VAN, that means the primary phase voltage, that is the VAN by 30 degree. Similarly VBN also leads VBN. This is the leads. You see the diagram, VAB is there and then VAN, that means leads 30 degree. Similarly that means VBN leads, that means VBC. Like that, that means the by 30 degree only. The next star delta connection. Star delta means primary is star and then secondary is delta only. So in this case the voltage ratio of each phase is there. That means the phase voltage and then divided by, that is the primary phase voltage of the primary divided by phase voltage of the secondary, that is equal to constant, that is K. That means the primary line voltage is root 3 times the primary phase voltage only, but the secondary line voltage is equal to the secondary phase voltage. So the line to line voltage ratio of star delta connection is the line voltage of primary divided by line voltage of secondary, that is VLP means line voltage of primary, VLS means line voltage of secondary, that is equal to root 3 times, that means primary is the star, no, so therefore root 3 times of phase voltage of the primary, that is VPP, and then divided by secondary side is the delta, so the line voltage is equal to phase voltage, so therefore VPS, that is the phase voltage of secondary. So S denoted over the first P denote phase, S second one S denoted for secondary only. So here there is a phase shift of 30 degree lead. The secondary connection is C. This is not a 0 degree delta. This is the 30 degree lead exists between the respective phase voltage only. Similarly 30 degree lead exists between the respective. So this connection only is called as the plus 30 degree connection. Plus sign for lead, 30 degree means 30 degree phase shift. You see the delta, if that means the A phase and all, you can see, you can know that is 30 degree, the secondary only 30 degree only shifted only. So here you see star delta connection la, in this case this is the minus 30 degree. You compare the both connection, the first diagram and all, that means here lead means this is the 11 o'clock position, 12 to, that is the 11 o'clock position. Here you see that means 12 to 1 o'clock position. So therefore this is the minus 30 degree connection. So you remember the clock, that means the 12 o'clock position means 0 degree phase shift, the 6 o'clock position means 180 degree phase shift, if the 11 o'clock position means plus 30 degree phase shift, and then 1 o'clock position, that is means that is the minus 30 degree. Don't consider if 1 o'clock 12 to 1, no, that is the forward only, that is plus 30 is no, that is not a, is the lag only, so minus 33 connection only. So this is the different transformer connections for 3-phase transformer.